Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking again on the Mars activation of the eclipse point of 6 degrees Gemini. I had mentioned earlier that this is extremely enigmatic and disastrous for the world because Mars activation of the eclipse point of 6 degrees where the eclipses have taken place on the 21st June 2020, and Mars aspecting the eclipse at the time of 21st and then activating the eclipse point at 6 degrees, exactly at 6 degrees on the 29th morning for Pakistan has proved disastrous. There has been a storm of terrorists in the stock exchange of Karachi, and there were 5 terrorists also killed, and all this is done by Mars. And today it is at 6 degrees, so even 29th, in the calculations, sometimes, I mentioned between 26th and 28th, but it is, I find today when I opened the software, it is even up to 29th and even up to 30th. And on the 30th, Jupiter is falling back in the sign Sagittarius, for which I'm writing a separate article. So what my point is that the theory of inevitability is proving spot on. Whenever the eclipses take place over the natal moon, in case of Pakistan, it has taken place over the natal moon, and Mars placed there in the sign Gemini at 6.47 degrees, and in transit also Mars has reached in Pisces at 6.4 degrees, and it has aspected the Mars in the sign Gemini in the foundation chart. And the third house is also, neighbors and, and from the borders wherever the terrorists are, they have attacked the country. And third house is also the neighborhood. And you see, so the terrorists living in the neighborhood colonies, they have attacked the stock exchange. So this is what I just wanted to point out, that the predictions are falling through. If you follow the principles properly in mundane astrology, there is no reason that a prediction can go wrong. So friends, this is about all. We have yet to see. We have 2 more days. In fact, 5 more days till Rahu is in enigmatic motion. It is in adverse motion till 5th of July. And till 5th of July, things are extremely venomous and they can turn disastrous. Maybe it is an earthquake, maybe everything. But primarily between 26th to 23rd, or 26th to 30th is more dangerous than between 30th to 5th of July. So things slowly and slowly would ease out. So till 5th of July, things are extremely bad for the complete globe. So this is what I wanted to say, friends, and that's about all. And thank you for listening to me. I'm making another video in which I'm explaining Jupiter going in the sign Sagittarius as a fallen planet. So friends, all the best and wish you best of luck. And thank you for listening to me, and bye-bye.